Hello toppers, today our video is based on Boric Materia Medica only, and here in this video I'll be sharing the more rare MCQs from Boric Materia Medica. If you are seeing that particular word, you can go directly for that remedy without even thinking about anything. So these are like short questions. So the topic is read rare and score more. So let's see. So, if the question is lipothamia, just don't think about any other remedy, just go for this remedy directly, and the answer is Nux moscata. Okay, if we are seeing mental exhilarancy of buoyancy, so the word acceleration and buoyancy, if you are finding these two words, you can go directly for this remedy without giving a second thought. It is alfalfa. If you are finding only bilharziasis, then you can think about this remedy. It is Antimonium tartaricum. Sties prevents their recurrence. Even we can't guess this remedy, so just memorize it. These are the direct questions. It is Apis mellifica. I think this question everyone might be knowing. Air sickness in aviators. If there is aviators, just go to this remedy directly. Answer is belladonna. Green halo around the candle light. Two remedies in our Boric Materia Medica are having the same symptom. So let's check the remedy. It is phosphorus and another one is Osmium metallicum. So if we are finding green halo, just go directly to phosphorus or Osmium met. Check for the this two answers in the MCQs. Evil effects of sea bathing. This is also a short question. Answer is magnesium muriaticum. Ailments from cutting wisdom teeth, and in bracket it is CHEIR. It is nothing but Cheiranthus cheiri or Cheiranthus cheiri. It's based upon your pronunciation. So the main remedy is magnesium carbonicum. Cannot eat strawberries, and the answer is oxalicum acidum. Asthma 10 to 30 drops every 10 minutes for few doses. So for asthma we can give this remedy, and just see the drops also. This particular symptom is present in that particular remedy only. So the answer is Passiflora. Passiflora we might be thinking regarding insomnia, but it is very much helpful in asthma also. So just memorize it. Okay, if common name is Kava Kava, then the answer could be Piper methysticum. A skin remedy of high order. The first line of the remedy, and the answer is Anantherium muricatum. It's not muriaticum, it's muricatum. Anantherium muricatum. Tumors in urinary passages. Answer is anilinum. Desire for ham fat. If you are seeing this ham fat, you can go directly to this remedy. Answer is mesothelium. Loquacity and delirium from eating acid fruits. So with the help of this eating acid fruits, you can easily guess the remedy, and it is Podophyllum peltatum. Sees countless stars. Only this remedy can see this countless stars. Let's see which remedy it is. Cyclamen. So while going in cycle, we can look at the stars. Just remember like that. Lectophobia. It is seen in, it is like fear of writing, I think. The answer is cannabis sativa. Dreams of dead bodies. I think many of our patients had told regarding these dreams. So in Boric Materia Medica, which remedy is having this particular symptom? Answer is cannabis indica. Acute alcoholism. I think in previous lectures also we had seen acute alcoholism. So simple, just remember like that if you are taking alcohol, what your father will do? He will surely beat. In Tamil language, we used to call father as Appa. So the answer is Apo Sayanam. You can remember like that. Tendency to sleep after eating. And the answer is Feltari. So ox is sleeping after eating. Thank you so much. I think these are all the short questions I thought to share with you people. And if you want to attend any free test, you can check our link below. And once again, thank you so much.